Managing a multifamily residential project as a contractor means juggling noise control, fire safety compliance, parking logistics, tenant communication, and phased construction planning like a pro. Okay, so first up, noise control is huge. You gotta plan your work hours around when tenants are least likely to be bothered, usually mid-morning to late afternoon. Use quieter tools when possible, or add sound barriers to block the worst noise. Fire safety compliance isn't just paperwork. Make sure your team installs all alarms, sprinklers, and exits exactly to code, and double-check everything before inspections. Parking logistics can be a nightmare, so set up clear signs and temporary spots for workers and tenants to avoid fights over space. Communication with tenants is key. Send out updates about what's happening and when, so they don't feel blindsided by construction noise or blocked entrances. Break the project into phases, so you're not working on the whole building at once, which helps keep some areas accessible and less stressful for residents. Keep a detailed schedule for each phase and share it with everyone involved to avoid confusion. Lastly, always have a point person for tenant questions or complaints to keep things smooth and friendly. One of the biggest mistakes contractors make on multifamily residential projects is ignoring noise control, which leads to angry tenants and complaints that slow down work. Fix this by scheduling noisy tasks during reasonable hours and using sound dampening methods. Another common issue is messing up fire safety compliance. Skipping steps or rushing installs can cause failed inspections and delays. Avoid this by following local fire codes carefully and double-checking everything before inspections. Then there's parking logistics. If you don't plan enough spots for workers and tenants, you get chaos and frustration. Solve this by mapping out parking areas in advance and clearly marking them with signage. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier for homeowners by helping them find trusted local contractors who get the job done right. It also helps contractors connect with people looking for work, so they can keep busy with projects that fit their skills.